Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made this simple no-bake treat for the holidays, and it's so simple I was actually embarrassed to show the video or to even make it. I purchased some Lotus Biscoff cookies, placed them on a parchment paper. I melted some white almond bark and crushed some peppermints and just basically drizzled it on top, or sprinkled it on top I should say, and that was it. It's a delicious no-bake treat for the holidays. This was such an easy recipe, like you can even get the kids involved in making these for Santa. I know that Santa likes the snickerdoodles, those are his favorite, but we can get the kids involved and have them make these cookies for Santa along with the snickerdoodles. If you're enjoying this easy recipe, please don't forget to give it a like. It really helps me out. Thank you. I know I've been making a lot of holiday treats and desserts. Let me know if you're interested in watching some videos for appetizers or dinners, or even like our traditional Cuban meal that we have for the holidays. If you're interested in anything like that, just make sure that it's nice and easy, because that's what my channel is all about, easy recipes. Thanks. So at this point I've crushed my peppermints, and now I'm just sprinkling on top of the chocolate. Make sure that you're sprinkling this on top of the chocolate when it's still wet. That way it can adhere to the chocolate and you don't make a mess where everything is coming off of the cookie itself. Once I finished doing this, I went ahead and just refrigerated it for like 15-20 minutes, and they were ready to go to the party. This cookie is delicious by itself, but adding the white chocolate and the peppermint just takes it to a new level, and it's so yummy. I suggest you guys try this out and let me know how it turned out for you and how your family and friends loved it. If you enjoy my easy recipes, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and I appreciate it. Happy holidays!